you get a phone call from the police and they say, look, we want you to come in for questioning on a sexual assault. And you call our office and they say, well, listen, I want to talk to a lawyer before I come in. That's fine. You call our office and we say, well, listen, this is the way to approach this, okay? I want you to phone back the police and ask them whether this is just for questioning or if they intend to arrest you. Because if it's just for questioning, just refuse to go in. I don't want you ever speaking to the police about any charge. The police will typically tell you if it's going to be arrest. Sometimes they can lie, of course, but if they say it's for arrest, then head in, okay, head in. And say nothing. You know, they're going to bring you in an interview room on any serious charge and try and interrogate you. You absolutely say nothing. I have other videos about why you don't want to cooperate at all with the police, and that's standard legal advice. There's no question about that. And they're going to give you a right to call a lawyer. The lawyer's going to say the same thing. Call duty counsel, call us. We're going to tell you the same thing. Please shut up and don't talk to the police and don't ruin your defense. So in that situation, they say, well, can you appear with me? Can you turn yourself in with me upon arrest? And I said, look, we've all been watching too much American TV, and in the States, apparently, lawyers will go in and they'll go into the interview room and they seem to be there with their client while they're being questioned, which is idiocy in my view. I think it's just American TV, but they are apparently entitled to be in the interview room. We're not here, okay? So there's no utility in having a lawyer hold your hand and go down to the police station and turn yourself in. All the lawyer can do is take you to the front desk and say, here's my client. He's turning himself in. There's a warrant for his arrest. The lawyer's not allowed to do anything more than that. And can I go back to the back room? No, Mr. Kruse, you've been watching too much American TV, and you can't do that. So we're all a bit confused by that. So I say to clients, look, there's no need to pay a lawyer to go down and hold your hand. Well, just present yourself at the desk. Get arrested. Be polite, but not cooperative with talking to them. Just be polite. State your name. Provide your ID, and frankly, don't say another word after that. Don't answer one question beyond that. And the police can lie to you. They'll bring you in an interview room. Let them talk for an hour. Put your head down on the desk and go to sleep. There's some lawyers who tell people that for cases. I don't necessarily recommend that. It's kind of impolite, but just sit there and say, look, I'm exercising my right to remain silent and being silent here. So you don't need a lawyer to go down. It's not allowed, in fact. I could bring you down and present you at the front desk, but we just tell people that's just a complete waste of time. And I know the odd lawyer does that as a type of hand-holding thing. It comforts the client, but it's just a complete waste of time, and you don't need that. Just follow our advice. Ask to speak to a lawyer again. Hopefully you get released. If not, hopefully we can get you released on bail and go from there. So that's some quick advice on do I need a lawyer, or can I have a lawyer attend with me, at the police station? And there's no utility in that whatsoever. So yeah, I'm glad I was able to talk to you today about this. It's an interesting topic. It's a question that people often ask me, which is kind of funny in a way, about American TV. And we have offices across the province. If you need legal advice, we have offices in Toronto, London, Kitchener, and Windsor, and we represent people throughout the provinces, all the territories in between. So for example, if you need to talk to one of our Toronto sexual assault or drug lawyers, you can give us a call, or DUI lawyers. We practice in all areas of law, but these are some of our big areas. Sexual assault, domestic assault, and DUI are some of our big areas, and drug cases, but we handle the full spectrum of criminal offenses. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.